Hello, my name is Carrie Alvarenga. Welcome to this tutorial for Fakebook from classschools.net. Fakebook allows users to create static social media style profile pages that students could use to present information about historical figures or events, things like book characters, scientific or mathematical rules, or even inanimate objects. Fakebook allows students to explore relationships, sequences, events, and pivotal events in history. So let's go ahead and pull up classtools.net. When the Class Tools page comes up, you'll see some tiles from multiple educational tools. Fakebook is located in the middle, right in the second row. Go ahead and click on the tile. You'll notice right away that the page is pretty ad heavy. There is an ad-free membership that's priced at around $12 for 6 months or $18 for a year-long subscription, but I'm going to be using the free version today. Notice when I change the name field that the profile picture is going to automatically change to a corresponding picture. I'm going to be creating a Fakebook profile for the element magnesium today. All of these images and fields are editable, so I'm also going to add a cover photo of magnesium on the periodic table. Students will need to locate photos on the internet and save them to their hard drive. I'm not actually sure if Fakebook can access Google Drive to select photos, so students may need to save photos to a flash drive if they're working on a Chromebook. The vital statistics field here underneath the profile picture is completely editable, so I am going to change mine to say discovered in 1808. And then I'm going to I'm going to add a line for the discoverer. You can also delete these lines if you want fewer lines, depending on your assignment topic. This could be a born or died field, or it could be any associated important date. I'm going to add a family line because the magnesium is actually part of the alkaline metals family. The friends box underneath this is a good place for students to show their familiarity with their subject's relationships. So students who are profiling famous figures could link them to contemporaries. Authors could be linked to their bibliography. I personally am looking for my students to figure out what elements magnesium is most likely to ionize with. And I'm going to add things like bromine. When you change the names of these, they are going to pull up suitable profile pictures as well, but the results aren't always perfect. So like, for example, chlorine. I'm not actually sure what that green thing is. So I'm going to change that to a picture I saved earlier of some actual chlorine. You can add additional blocks as needed. I think you can delete some as well. I'm going to go ahead and move on though. The post section here is a good place for students to explore influential moments in the history of their profile subject or to list key facts. You can change the name of the poster to indicate if it's the subject making the post or if it's a friend making the post. You can also alter the time of the post. You can add photos. And then you're going to press the blue button just like you normally would with a social media post. You are able to go back and edit these if you spot mistakes. You're able to save your work as a shareable web page by pressing the yellow save button as long as you've made a minimum of 3 posts. So I'm going to go ahead and make one more. After you save your work, it's going to pop up this password request box. And then you're going to see this page right here. The share button does not seem to work. I've tried it. The blue hyperlink up here does work though. So students can copy and paste that into a Google document for submission or on your learning management system of choice. So I hope that this has been a helpful tutorial and that you can think of lots of ways that this would be useful in your classes. Thank you for listening.